Want your floors to shine like new without spending hours scrubbing or buying expensive cleaners? Stay tuned because I'll share smart hacks that really work. Hi everyone, welcome back. Floors are the first thing people notice when they walk into a room, and keeping them shiny instantly makes your home look cleaner and more inviting. Today, I'll guide you through simple yet effective ways to achieve that spotless glow. When we say shiny floors, we're not just talking about sparkle. It means clean, polished, and well-maintained surfaces that reflect light and stay looking fresh for longer. 4. Step-by-step practical guide. Step 1. Sweep or vacuum daily to remove dust and grit. Step 2. Use a mild cleaning solution, like warm water mixed with vinegar or a few drops of dish soap. Step 3. Mop using microfiber cloths. They lift dirt without leaving streaks. Step 4. Dry immediately with a clean towel to avoid dull watermarks. Step 5. Once a week, polish with a natural solution, such as olive oil mixed with lemon juice, for extra shine. Tools. You'll need a broom or vacuum, a microfiber mop, a bucket, mild cleaning liquid, and a soft towel. Optional, natural polish ingredients like vinegar, olive oil, or lemon. These tools are affordable and easy to find. Quick tips. Always use warm water, never hot, to protect floor finishes. Avoid harsh chemicals, as they strip away natural shine. Place doormats at entrances to reduce dirt build-up. Clean up spills immediately to prevent stains. Cost comparison. Commercial floor cleaners can cost anywhere between $10 to $30 a bottle. A homemade vinegar and water solution costs less than $1 and works just as well, making it a budget-friendly option. Daily. Sweep or vacuum. Twice a week, mop with mild solution. Weekly, polish naturally. Monthly, deep clean with extra care. Notes. For hardwood floors, avoid too much water to prevent damage. For tiles, focus on grout cleaning for maximum shine. For laminate, always use a damp, not wet mop. Following the right method for your floor type keeps it shining longer. So remember, sweep daily, mop with mild solutions, polish weekly, and always match your cleaning method to your floor type. With these hacks, you can keep your floors shiny without spending extra money or effort. If you found these hacks useful, don't forget to like this video, share it with friends, and subscribe for more smart home care tips. And let me know in the comments what's your favorite way to keep floors shining.